Good morning, friends. You are most welcome in my channel, Uttarakhand Astrology Research Center, India. Today, let us start. Let us know the rest of Arishta Yogas. So, let us start. Ascendant should be benefic sign, means ascendant should be ascendant lord should be benefic planet and aspected by benefic planet, and all the malefic planets should be weak, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, if ascendant is hemmed between benefic planets called Subkartari Yoga, all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. The birth should be during daytime and Venus should be placed either 5th, either 9th or 11th house or any quadrant. Then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, the birth should be during daytime and sun should be placed in the 11th house. All the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, birth should be during night time and moon should be placed in the 11th house. All the Arishtas will be cancelled. If a strong moon is aspected by benefic planets in good house except 6th, 8th or 12th, then all the Arishtas are cancelled. Next one, if Jupiter is placed in his own or exalted sign, either in quadrant or in Trikona, means 1st, 4th, 7th or 10th house either, or in 5th or 9th house, then all the Arishtas are cancelled. If ascendant lord is strong and placed either in quadrant or in Trikona, then all the Arishtas are cancelled. Ascendant should be Libra and sun should be placed in the 12th house. All the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, if Mars is aspected by a strong Jupiter, either aspected or combined with Jupiter, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, all the malefic planets should be placed 4th and 10th house, and rest of the quadrant, ascendant and 7th house should be occupied by benefic planets, and in Trikona also benefic planets should be placed, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. If a malefic planet is hemmed between benefic planet, means Subkartari Yoga, it is the yoga of Arishtbhanga Yoga. Next one, if the benefic planets are placed in quadrant or Trikona house, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, 3 or more than 3 planets should be placed their own or exalted sign, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, Venus should be placed either in his own sign or own Namangsha. Without the aspect of Jupiter, then all Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Mercury should be placed in its exalted sign or Mool Trikona sign or own sign and aspected by Venus, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, Jupiter should be placed in the ascendant and aspected by Jupiter, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Next one, 8th house and 8th lord should be under benefic influence, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. If planets, one or more planets are placed in quadrant in its exalted sign and under benefic influence, then all the Arishta Yogas are cancelled. Last one, strong 10th lord should be placed in good houses and under benefic influence. It is the yoga of Arishtbhanga Yoga. All the Arishtas are cancelled. So friend, thanks. I hope you will be benefited by this video and you will increase your knowledge. And please subscribe, share, like and provide your valuable views as much as possible. From the next episode, we will start the Chandra Arishtbhanga Yoga, means Arishtbhanga Yogas by moon. Thank you for today.